PDP structure in which the gallium is present at the central at the tetrahedral void center, and the phosphorus is the anion which is present at the free centers, and the body which is present at the free centers and the corner atoms. So like this is the ID data option and the unit cell. This is the space group of this, and it is a cubic type structure. Its lattice parameters are there, and in the structural parameters we have the fraction coordinates. It is a gallium fraction coordinates, and it's a phosphorus fraction coordinates. The phosphorus is present at the corner atoms and the face centers. Gallium is present at the alternative tetrahedral voids. It is in blended types of structure due to that, and also this is the bonds. These are the gallium bonds. These are the phosphorus gallium bonds. We can edit this bond. We can make new bonds also by defining the mean length, max length, and all that structure. Now, similarly for CATE, which is the NaCl type structure, in the CATE, Te2 minus is present at the corner atoms and the free center atom. Ca2 plus is present at the edge centers and at the body center because it's present at the octahedral voids. So in the edit option, there is the edit data. Unit cell is there, which is a space group. It's a cubic type structure. Its the latest parameters is cell size 6.356. Now for the structure parameters, these are the fraction coordinates of the tellurium. These are the corner atoms, and these are the body. These are the free center atoms. The calcium is present at the they are present at the octahedral voids. So these are the fraction coordinates of it, and these are the bonds for this. Like this, the calcium tellurium bond is there. Now similarly we have made for the K2O, which is the anti-fluoride structure. And in the K2O, oxygen is present at the FCC, means at the corner atoms and at the face center, and the potassium is present at the tetrahedral void. So and there's the added data option is there. The unit cell, it's a space group of this. It's a cubic type structure. It's a point cell, and there's a structure parameter. And in that structure parameter, we have that fraction coordinates. The oxygen is present at the corners. This oxygen is present at the face center. This potassium is present at the bodies. This potassium is present at the tetrahedral voids, and there are the all tetrahedral voids are covered in it. Now similarly we will look at the bonds of it, and in the bonds, this is the calcium this is the potassium oxygen bond is there, or this is the oxygen oxygen bond is there, and we can change or edit this bond also. Apply. Similarly, this for the CeO2. CeO2 is the chloride type of structure, and the change in it is that the Ce is the cation which is present at the corner atom, which is present at the oxygen, and oxygen is the anion which is present at the tetrahedral voids. All tetrahedral voids are covered in it. There's an edit data option is there in which unit cell. This is a space group, and it's a structure parameters like it's a selenium and it's oxygen atoms is there. There's point group. The selenium point group is there. Oxygen fraction coordinates are there. And similarly, we have defined the bonds for it. And the last one structure is the AUZN structure. In that AUZN structure is a simple cubic structure. We know that it's like the CSCl structure, which is not a BCCl structure because the Zn depth is present at the center, can also form the another simple cubic structure. So it's not a BCC, it's a simple cubic structure. But here we are showing the only one unit cell, so that's why we have made it like this. And in this added data option, the unit cell, these are the space group of it, and the sexual parameter, these are the AUZN are there. This is the AU bond, and in the Zn which is present at the body center. And similarly we have made the bonds for it. These are the AU bond, and these are the Zn AU bond here which we have made. And all that structure that we have made, we have edited the file BATIO3 that we have, that the cell you have provided to us, and we have made all this in the VESTA app. VESTA is the software. The CIF file, we have edited all this structure in the CIF file. These are the 5 structure that we have provided in the assignment.